Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers and my beloved learners. How are you today? And I hope that you are feeling very well and nice. And today I'm in a new place, and so that I would like to exchange my views and notions with you, and hope that the place will exaggerate your mind a lot. And the place is not far from our area, and it's Pathogata of Jamuna, near Jamuna Railway Bridge or Jamuna Multi-Purpose Bridge, and it's a nice place, and it's a park. The name of this park is Kanchenjunga Park and Resort, and it's a huge recreational zone for the young kids or children, and though the place is the time is not very favorable today because the day is a holiday, and so for this reason you are not noticing a lot of people here. And if the time would be in the afternoon, you could see a lot of people or the little kids, and I will show you some ride of this park, and hope that this ride will exaggerate or entertainable for your mind. And now I'm going to a ride that is a country boat. Dear viewers, I'm ascending on the staircases of this country boat, and it may be called in our country name Nagardola. And on the other side of this park, you will be able to see the wonderful, the mind-blowing, and so much enchanting river Jamuna, and it's a wonderful source of scenic and waterland, and it's the biggest one. And on this biggest river, the Jamuna multi-purpose bridge and the Jamuna railway bridge is situated, and you will be able to see a lot of country boats applying on rivers. Okay, dear viewers, right now I'll show you another some types of a symbol of innocence, and I'll show the statue of some animals, and is the statue of the symbol of innocence, and the statue is the statue of a deer, and it's the speediest, one of the speediest animal of the forest. And not only that, I would like to show you some statues of another animals, and I'd like to show you another statue of another animal, that is a giraffe, and it's the longest and the tallest animal of the forest. And here another lot of zones for the recreation for